హైదరాబాద్ హైటెక్ సిటీలో 140 దేశాల ప్రతినిధులతో జరుగుతున్న భారత్ సమ్మిట్ కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రధాన వక్తగా ఎమ్మెల్యే డాక్టర్ టి రామ్మోహన్ రెడ్డి పాల్గొన్నారు. ఎకనామిక్ జస్టిస్ ఇన్ అన్సర్టెన్ టైమ్స్ అనే అంశంపై వక్తగా మాట్లాడిన ఆయన భారతదేశంతో వివిధ దేశాలతో గల ఒప్పందాలు, సత్సంబంధాలపై ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ఫోటో ఎగ్జిబిషన్ను సందర్శించారు.
Krishna Bairegowdaji, Revenue Minister for Government of Karnataka, and speakers from different countries and delegates from different countries and colleagues. Good afternoon, everybody. It's an honor to be here with you today to speak about a subject that not only defines present direction of our governance, but also shape the future we visualize for every citizen of our country. At its core, economic justice is about fairness and equity, and it is about ensuring the equal access and opportunity, dignity and resources regardless of one's background and circumstances. It goes beyond numbers and statistics. It's about making sure that every individual, whether a farmer, a student, a worker, a woman, a person belonging to SC, ST, BC community, a differently able and any other vulnerable group has the chance to lead the life of dignity, stability and hope. It is well known that any country, the wealth is concentrated on few hands. In India, 40% of wealth is held by the top 1% of the people, and the bottom 50% of the people only held by 3% of the wealth. The rich is becoming richer day by day, while the poor is becoming poorer. It remains the poor people in any country are not in a position to face uncertainty in difficult times. They become most vulnerable, exploited. This kind of trend cannot be allowed